Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for your time. And a big thanks to Francis and the School Leaders Network for giving us this opportunity to briefly talk about the Joy of Giving Week. But before I get started, just by show of hands, how many of you have heard about the Joy of Giving Week or Danutsav before? Okay, so about half of you. That's not bad. Thank you so much. In 2009, a bunch of people from different walks of life, schools, colleges, corporates, social workers, government officers got together and came up with the idea that just like you have a Father's Day or a Valentine's Day or a Mother's Day, can we have a day to celebrate giving? And thus the idea of a day of giving was first born, which quickly grew up into becoming a week of giving. And that's how the Joy of Giving Week was born in 2009. We'll just run you through a short 2-minute film that'll give you an idea about the festival, and then I'll talk briefly for a couple of minutes. Yeah? So, film.
It's a wonderful idea, this Joy of Giving Week, and people from all over India have pitched in.
And groups of people get together from different walks of life and contribute whatever they can.
Students of Akanksha Shindewadi Municipal School in Mumbai are bringing the change they want to see. They are contributing 1 rupee at a time to help kids suffering from hearing disabilities by providing them hearing aid machines.
लखनऊ के लॉ मार्टिनियर गर्ल्स स्कूल में गिव इंडिया ने जब गूंज नाम के संगठन के साथ मिलकर जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक का आयोजन किया तो मानो पूरा शहर ही टूट पड़ा। बच्चे बूढ़े सबने अपनी पुरानी चीजों का दान किया।
उससे जैसे एक बच्ची भाग के गई क्लास से एक बिस्किट का पैकेट ले आई कि मैम इस बिस्किट के पैकेट को किसी भी बच्चे के पास पहुंचा देना जिसको ये चाहिए। जो ये था इतना एक तरह से खुशी से जैसे कि ये महसूस हुआ कि वो बच्चा समझ गया है।
Prakash Padukone and members of his badminton academy took time out to give these little shuttlers some playing tips.
इनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए जो ये लोग अपना टाइम निकाल कर हम सब बच्चों को सिखा रहे हैं और हमें भी कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं लोग।
Okay, badminton पसंद है?
हाँ, बहुत पसंद है। मुझे भी बनना है बड़ा होकर। एक प्लेयर बनकर अपने हिंदुस्तान की शान बनना है मुझे।
I think it's extremely important because we are in a fortunate position right now to extend a helping hand to the less fortunate ones.
इन दिनों हमारे देश में कई नौजवान छोटे मोटे संगठन, कॉर्पोरेट जगत के लोग, स्कूलों के लोग, कुछ एनजीओ, ये सब मिल करके 2 अक्टूबर से 8 अक्टूबर कई शहरों में जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक मनाने वाले हैं। जरूरतमंद लोगों को खाने का सामान, कपड़े, ये सब एकत्र कर करके वो पहुंचाने का उनका अभियान। मैं समझता हूं कि ये जो जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक है, जिन शहरों में होने वाला है, इन नौजवानों के उत्साह को हमने प्रोत्साहन देना चाहिए, उनको मदद करनी चाहिए। एक प्रकार का ये दान उत्सव है।
I'd like to say that the interesting thing about the Joy of Giving Week, to put it simply, is that if you want to do anything, there is no blueprint. You can go ahead and do it.
I think that film explains much better than what anybody else could. The idea is very simple, right? I mean, there is a lot of joy to be experienced in giving. And I think what better time than early childhood to get our children to pick up these skills. More than 3,000 schools across India are actually celebrating the Joy of Giving Week. And as I was interacting with some of you over lunch, I met many of you all whose schools are already celebrating it. It's actually very simple. It could be something as simple as getting each child to bring a pencil from home and let them collect it, take it across to a government school or a nearby orphanage and actually help the children there. Or it could be something else. We've seen, for example, Eurokids preschool children actually go out and do a whole bunch of activities, including making sandwiches, taking it to the government Anganwadi schools and sitting with the children there and making, sharing with them, etc. We know that a lot of you all would actually have exams even during October 2nd to 8th, which is when the festival is held. So one of the things we found many schools doing very effectively is they actually run simple campaigns just before the week, in the last week of September, etc., do the awareness building up, etc. And then during the week, they actually just have to get the children to bring in 1 kilo of rice or dal or clothes or toys or stationery, whatever it is that they would like to collect. And then just before Diwali is a great time to actually have the kids go to a place and actually share that. We put down our contact information at the end of the film, and Francis has agreed that we'll send all of you all who have come here today a small 2-page leaflet that tells you more ideas of how you can celebrate. This is not an NGO, it's not an organization. Volunteers like us are from different walks of life. And what we'd love to do is, if each of you would like your school to celebrate, to give your children the opportunity to do something, all you have to do is write to us and we'll be happy to see how we can help you connect with different organizations, work with you on different ideas. I'd just like to stop there, and in case anybody has a couple of questions, we can take them. Otherwise, we'll let you get on with the agenda for the day. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Venkat Krishnan. You have influenced us and inspired us with your mission. I think some of our school leaders must have already, been involved in the Danotsav or Joy of Giving Week. And today being here with you and listening to you was a great pleasure and honor. May I now request Mr. Brahmam, editor of Brainfeed magazine, and Mr. Sachin Dakate, co-founder of WizMinds, to please come up on stage and felicitate Mr. Krishnan with a memento.